Hello guys, today I will show you how to repair battery from DJI Mavic Air. This battery is not powered on, not charging, nothing. First you need to disassemble the battery, recharge cells, each cells from battery. After recharge, need to connect to interface. I use interface from laptopu.ro. You can see this interface, cost and software. Need to use software from DJI and can repair battery. Okay. Now I will open application. I will connect the interface. It's just connected, and I read the battery. To activate the battery, need first to get 12 volts. Okay. After can read the battery. You can see battery is locked because was discharged very low. Okay, I going to tab reset. First stop charge, reset, and I start new reset. Read battery. You can see battery was read. Next, need to select DJI chip. Next, and first you need to unseal battery. After the battery is unsealed, need to read chip and see PP status is not 0. Okay, I will reset battery, clear errors. Okay, battery is cleared, but is unsealed too. Sealed too. I will unseal again and read again chip. Read. Now PP status is 0. Seal battery again. You can reset cycles if need, but I'm not do. After seal and reset, I will read battery, and now battery is unlocked. That is all. Now I can charge battery. You can see. Wait, something was wrong. Why not charge? Ah, sorry, it's too low voltage. Hello, I will put 12 volts, 12,000 millivolts and power. Now you see current is charging. Stop. I will try to charge battery. Sorry for the camera. You can see battery is charging. That is all. I see you next time. Bye bye.